Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. As we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news price pressures seem to be easing in most economies, but will they in New Zealand? But first up today, American mortgage applications, which had been rising in recent weeks, fell back sharply last week in an unexpected reversal. It seems that recent rises did not indicate a recovery there. And the US Fed's April Beige Book describes an economy that is just chugging along at a moderate pace and nothing spectacular, and not really slowing either. This is all the hallmarks of describing a soft landing. And Wall Street is awash in earnings reports that don't suggest their economy is failing, but ratings agencies are on track to cut the most US corporate bonds to junk since the early part of the pandemic, boosting funding costs for some companies just as the economy is slowing. Apart from the pandemic jolt, 2023 is on track to be the toughest on bond rating downgrades since 2016, possibly even 2009. In Canada, more than 155,000 federal workers went on strike there after wage talks with the Ottawa government failed. In China, one of their largest EV markets, Europe, is insisting EV batteries meet their broad carbon targets, and that is a major problem for Chinese battery makers. They can't at present. EV sales were a stunning bright spot in China's March exports. It may be brief. In Australia, the Westpac Melbourne Institute leading economic index was almost flat from the prior month in March 2023. This isn't a good sign, according to Westpac. And join us at 10:45 this morning, where we'll have a full coverage of the local March CPI. Markets expect an annual rate of 7.1% and an annualised fourth quarter to first quarter 2023 rate of 6.8%. Variations from these levels will certainly have financial market implications. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.6% and up 2 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold is at $1,994 an ounce and down $11 from this time yesterday. And oil prices are down $1.50 at just on $79.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just on $83.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is unchanged against the US dollar, now at 62.1 US cents. Against the Aussie, we're slightly firm at 92.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, with little change to 56.7 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is now at 69.9 and up 20 basis points. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.